Founded in 1984, Charleston Forge manufactures high-end steel and wood furniture. The company is highly regarded for its fashion-forward designs and its commitment to unrivaled quality and unfailing customer service. All of our furniture starts with bases built out of raw steel purchased from a supplier close to our Boone, North Carolina factory. Steel is heated to roughly 1200 degrees in order to make it soft enough to be hammered and tapered using foot-operated hydraulic hammers. Heating and hammering the metal creates texture that helps play on the natural look and feel of the steel. Heating the steel causes the metal surface to oxidize, leaving a subtle yet distinct texture known as scaling. Jigs are used in the forging process to ensure consistent bends when creating such things as curved table and chair legs. Each piece of furniture that is produced is a testament to the skill and care that goes into it. Once all the component pieces of a base are complete, they are ready to be welded. Here, a Ventura dining table starts coming together. While welding jigs are used for many pieces, some are built using clamps to ensure proper setup. Great care is taken to ensure that all of the components are properly aligned to create a symmetrical and level base. Initial tack welds hold the piece together during setup, allowing for adjustment that may need to be made before the final welds. Once the welder is satisfied that everything is properly aligned, the final permanent welds are applied. If the frame is destined to have a wood top, the final step in the fabrication process is to attach tabs that will hold the top in place. A final check is made to ensure that the base is level. The welds are then smoothed down with a grinder, and the finished frame moves on to the paint line.